Hello, folks. I'm Stefan, and you're watching Techie Phoenix. Today, I'm going to build a PC under 16,000 rupees. It is going to be a fun build, and it can play pretty much any game. Playable, not high 60 to 70 FPS, but a low 30 FPS in every low settings. But you can play every AAA titles. So first, we are going with the motherboard. It is a AM4 motherboard. The ASRock A320M HDB. It is a cool motherboard under this price range. It supports the overclocking and it have two RAM DIMM slots, DDR4. It comes with the M.2 slot and a PCIe slot. So it is a micro ATX board, and so let's take the price 3750 to 3775. Okay, 3775. So our next component is the RAM. We are going with a cheap RAM, DDR4, 8 GB, and it is the Crucial CT84 DFS 824A, 8 GB DDR4, 2000 MHz RAM. It is a very good RAM at this price range, 2450. 2450. Okay, so the next component is the processor, which is going to be the Alton AMD Alton processor. It is a very good processor, 2 core 4 threads with Radeon Vega 3 graphics, and it can run all AAA titles but in low settings. It can give up to 30 to 35 FPS, but you can upgrade it later. AM4 socket, you can upgrade to a Ryzen 5 or 7. So this is about 4554 rupees. So add it, 4554 rupees plus. Now the next component is the storage, 1 TB hard disk. This is the hard disk that I'm going for, 1 TB SATA 6 GB per second, 3.5 hard drive, bare laptop drive latest. Barracuda, cool, 3099. Let's take it 100, 3100 plus. The next hardware is the SMPS. We're going with a cheap SMPS because it is not a very expensive build. 400 watt is enough for it, and it is the Oracle 400 watt SMPS, 844 rupees. It is a branded company, but you can upgrade it later to an 80 plus or something like that. 844 rupees. So the next component we are going to use is the case, PC case. This is not going to be RGB fully LED lights case, but a cheap 850 rupees case. Where is it? Yeah, the price have increased. 933 rupees. Okay, so let's take this price, 933 rupees plus 933. Oh my god, 15,656 rupees. Now this is the thing you can get from 15,000 to 16,000 rupees. At this price range, it is the most powerful PC I build. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give the like button, and the links for this will be given down below. Check it out. Techie Phoenix signing out. Bye bye.